Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. If you can't take the pain, you don't deserve the gain. So AMC, we sitting at 2250 at the time of this recording, guys, down over 1% today. So in our previous videos, we had expected exactly what had happened. We said we would go up to around 2385, right at that wall of resistance. We will be rejected from it, not rejection, and go all the way back down to the low 20s. But when we reject it, we will pull back some just to get enough power to when we run back up, we can break right through it, guys, with ease. So that's exactly what happened. We ran up to 2375. That's pretty close to 2385, right near that resistance. And we came back down to $22.35. That's a great sign because we came back down to that same key level that brought us down on yesterday. But now we holding up at that level as a form of support, guys. What we want to see is AMC bounce off 2235 and shoot straight back up towards that 2385 resistance, blow through it, and run up to $25-26, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. We looking to have more transparency in the market. We know we take what they say as a grain of salt until things are actually proven and showing that we're having the transparency that we deserve, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Dark pools will be exposed soon if, things go how they should go. So Gensler says SEC is weighing new rules, greater disclosure from private capital funds. Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Gary Gensler said he wants more transparency from the country's largest private companies and the private firms that fund them. Gensler, who spoke on CNBC's Squawk Box, said he wants to ensure large private companies and private equity firms are disclosing enough information. With private funds managing trillions, many companies are delaying their entry to public markets and sometimes using IPO to allow wealthy investors to cash out. So basically, guys, that's like the dark pools. Dark pools are exchanges that is not disclosed to the public. Basically, this secret little trading platform where the higher up, the rich, the elite can go and buy and purchase large blocks of securities or assets without disclosing it to the public, which they believe they put this in order for, the public not to go in a frenzy after seeing, basically, if we seen, Elon Musk buy $1 billion worth of Apple or something, or $1 billion worth of Tilray, since Apple is already established and we waiting for Tilray to pop. We seen Elon Musk buy $1 billion worth of Tilray. That would then, that would basically give everybody a signal like, hey, we should be buying Tilray. And that's what they don't want. They basically want to keep us poor. It's just a way to, to keep to keep the public up out of the good information. That's information we want to know. That's information we need to know. Even though, like I always tell y'all, I would just take homework from that. Just because I hear Elon Musk, or I don't care who they is, buying something, that won't encourage me to buy. I would do my homework, my research, look around and look for the same thing. I would be just looking for what made that person buy. And if I can see the same thing they saw, that would then probably, make me buy, guys. But I'm not going to buy just because I hear somebody else buying, or, whoever they is. It doesn't matter, because, they have losses too, but they just make sure they wins. When they win, they big investments, they make sure they wins overpower their losses. So, they win millions here, million there, 2 million there, 3 million there. But when they lose 10 grand, 50 grand, 40 grand. And when, if you get in on that wrong trade, or when they losing trades by trying to just follow their picks, then you could end up getting slaughtered by, one of the ones that they, because you never know how their risk management was on that play. So you already know, guys, just to break that down. So anyways, what Gensler trying to do is, have more transparency for the people, for the public. And yeah, and like I say, we ain't going to run with that until it actually happens, until we actually starts to see the transparency, guys, because they can talk about it all day long, say they want to do this and that and the third for us, but until they actually start doing it, that's when we'll take it and be thankful for it. So you already know, guys, that's all we got for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick video on AMC and let you guys know about that. So you already know what to do. Consider joining the family. Add me on Instagram. I love you guys. You already know what to do. We gone.